Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm not going to give you guys excuses to why I haven't uploaded in like, I don't know, 4 months, but I'm back. I haven't felt like filming in a really long time, and today I felt like filming, so here we are. I just got back from taking my citizenship exam or interview, and I'm a US citizen, which I'm really excited about. So anyways, today I have a haul. I have some Disney stuff, and then I have some like random miscellaneous stuff. But first, I guess we're going to start out with what I'm wearing. So I'm sure you guys all know, but Disney and Forever 21 have a collection. So I got this sweater, and it's like a crop sweater. I don't know what this says, but I've asked people, and I think it says Mickey Mouse. So I hope it says Mickey Mouse, because I don't like wearing things that I don't know what it means or what it says. This is actually a really good quality sweater for Forever 21. It just feels like it's like thick and a really good quality, so I like that. Something else from Forever 21 is this, that if you follow me on Instagram, which I think that you should, you probably saw me wearing this like 2 weeks ago. But yeah, so that's all I got from Forever 21. So let's move on to something non-Disney related. Let's do books. So I recently got this. This is called An Absolutely Remarkable Thing by Hank Green. I think this is his first book. And it's signed by him. I have no idea what this book is about. And my sister's husband, Eric, gave it to me. So I'm really excited about this. I'm also really excited about this book. So if you follow me on Instagram, again, you know that I've been posting a lot about this book called Uninvited. It's by Lisa Turkhouse, and I'm obsessed with it. It's so good. But I got one of her other books. This is called What Happens When Women Say Yes to God. Live more fully, love more deeply, experience God's best for you. And it looks like this. And it's a short book, and I'm really excited about this one. Okay, so my mom's boss got me this book. It's called The Obstacle is the Way. It's by the author of Ego is the Enemy. It's also a short book, but I love this cover. Isn't this so pretty? So yeah, I have to read this. Let's move on to something Disney related. We're gonna like switch off and on. I don't have that much stuff to show you. Okay, so I went to Disney recently, and I've also, if you follow me on Instagram, know that I've been going to the gym a lot, and I love the gym. I don't know, it's kind of just been an outlet for me, which is so weird because I didn't used to like exercising. So anyways, I've been kind of collecting workout clothes because I feel like you can never have enough workout clothes, and I love collecting cute workout clothes because you should look cute when you go to the gym. That's just what I think. And so I've been on the lookout for Disney workout clothes. I want to do a like Disney workout clothes haul. I'm still thinking about that, but anyways, I went to Disneyland and they have some shirts. I don't know if they are especially for working out, but just the material and the style makes me want to work out in them. So this was $35, and it looks like this. This is also a size medium because they didn't have a small for me. It says, "For every minute of the rest of my life, I will fight." And it has a little sun because it's a quote from Rapunzel, and then it has her in the back. And I just want to work out in this every single day of my life, and I'm obsessed with it, and I love it so much. So that's that. Next thing, I'm super excited about this, and I know I've said this a lot, but if you follow me on Instagram, then you already know. The ColourPop Disney collection came out. For some reason though, it didn't call out to me. I think within the whole collection, there's like 1 or 2 things that I want, so I wasn't really too excited about that. But what I was really excited for was the Dose of Colors Desi and Katie collection. Oh my goodness. I think this launched on the 24th of September at 8 o'clock. I don't remember the exact date, but I remember it was at 8 a.m. and I set my alarm and I placed my order at 8:11. And the only reason why it took me 11 minutes to place my order was because I think they posted everything at like 8:05 or 8:06. And so finally my order went through at 8:11. But that's neither here nor there. I'm going to show you what I got. So I'm going to start out with the lipsticks first because they are my favorite thing. I got this liquid lipstick and the shade is called My Main. I don't want to do swatches, but here we go. Desi and Katie are a lot lighter than me in skin tone, so I was really excited that a lot of these things I am able to wear. I think this was like one of the darkest, or if not the darkest nude in the collection, and it is still a little bit too light for me, but I can totally make it work and I love it. They also smell so good and I'm really excited about it. I don't know if I should like zoom you guys in. Oh, whoa. We're also in the car and you're a little lopsided because there's a bunch of wedding things in my home and it's like super messy because my sister's getting married this weekend. So yeah. The next thing that I got was Over the Top, and this is a lip gloss, and they had it last year for the collection, but they relaunched it this year too, and it's just so pretty. It's like glittery. Look at me being all beauty guru. Then I got a lipstick, of course. I died when I saw this. I was like, if anything out of the whole collection, I have to have that lipstick. This is called Aftermath and it is gorgeous. I actually haven't even tried it on myself, but I know I'm gonna love it. It's like a maroony red. It's brand new. Well, it's not that maroony. It's more like a terracotta. But look how gorgeous that is. And then I got a highlighter. This one is in the shade, I forgot, Chasing the Sun. And it looks like this. And it's so beautiful. I actually should put some on today. And then the last thing I got was the palette. The lighting is horrible in here and I look like an Oompa Loompa, but that's okay. This is the palette. Look how gorgeous. It's so pretty. The thing with how like merchandise works at Disney, I've noticed, is that when there is something that comes out that everybody just loves and is dying for, it will come out, then it will sell out, and then it will come out again in a couple weeks, and then it will sell out, and it's going to be like that for a couple of months, and then either the hype is going to die down or everyone's already going to have that, and there's going to be tons of that specific item at Disneyland. And so that brings us to today. At my last Disney trip, which was this weekend, I got something that I've been wanting for months. I got it, you guys. I got it. I got the rose gold backpack. I'm so obsessed with this. It's so cute and so beautiful and just so majestic. Like, what? I don't even want to use it because it's so cute, and I just want to place it like in a little glass case, which is a little bit dramatic, but it's so beautiful. I'm so excited. If you are interested in getting one, they're literally everywhere right now at Disneyland. So yeah, you shouldn't really have any problems finding it anymore. That was all for this video. I hope it wasn't too all over the place. I don't know what it's like to be in front of the camera anymore because I haven't done this for a while, but be on the lookout for new videos. I have 3 pre-filmed videos that I'm going to upload. One of them is how to make a fanny pack. The other one is how to make bow headbands. And the third one, which is actually going to come out first, is the ethnicity tag. I asked you guys on Instagram if I should still post the ethnicity tag since I filmed it a while back. And you guys wanted me to still post it, so I will. And yes, I want you guys to know that you are amazing, and remember that you are beautifully and wonderfully made, and that God loves you and I love you, and I will see you in the next video.